Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sigit Hartoko. And this time I will present our article. The title is Charity Organization Governance and Public Trust in Improving Cash Wakaf Linked Suko Investment. Authors are Sigit Hartoko, Nur Raihana binti Muhali, Nur Aiza binti Mohzamil, Laude Hasyara. The outline are background, problem statement, method, research result, conclusion. Background. Charitable organizations play a very important role in collecting voluntary donations to be distributed to people who need help. Their role is also very important in changing the fate of people in need. They exist as a mediator between donors and beneficiaries. Charitable organizations collect funds from the public by creating projects related to humanitarian, economic, social, religious, educational, health, and community interests. As an organization that collects public funds, it should manage and be accountable for funds well. But in reality, some charitable organizations have not implemented good organizational governance or met the principle of good corporate governance. The situation can affect public trust in charitable organizations and have implications for subsequent fundraising achievement. Problem statement. There are still charitable organizations that have not fulfilled the principle of good corporate governance. Research question. How are good corporate governance principles applied to charitable organizations? B. To what extent is public trust in charitable organizations? Research objective. Identify the application of GCG principles in charitable organizations, measure the impact of government and public trust on charitable organizations. Method. The study used a qualitative approach, data collection by observation, document searches, and in-depth interview. Research object, charitable organization, informants, organization administrator, and community. Location in Samarinda. The theoretical basis used in this research is the principle of good corporate governance and the theory of trust. Literature review. People are willing to donate to charities based on moral institution and considering the characteristic of the charitable organization, the credibility of the organization, the reputation of organization, the mission of the organization, the efficiency and effectiveness of fund management. Some of these things can be achieved if organization can implement good governance, thus increasing public trust, which ultimately motivates the willingness to donate. Interview with the management of the East Kalimantan branch of the Indonesian Wakaf Board. How is the achievement of CWLS investment sales until 2024? Since it was first launched in 2020 until 2024, it has increased, but the achievement is still very far from the existing potential because the majority of Indonesian people are Muslim. Why is that? I think there are many things that influence. Among them is the level of public trust in charitable organizations that collect funds, public knowledge of CWLS, and the level of public income. Interview with the community members. In your opinion, have charitable organizations implemented good organizational governance? Answer. Some have managed it well, but some have not been able to manage it well. What caused this? It could be due to a lack of knowledge about the importance of good organizational governance. What is lacking? For example, regarding transparency and accountability, most of organizations are not transparent in distributing funds and who receives them. Also, how much are the operational costs? The public does not know. It is rare to find charitable organizations that produce audited financial report. How much do you trust in charitable organizations in Indonesia? I believe in a bona fide organization because they have been tested for years in distributing funds to the community and to other charitable organizations. I don't believe it, especially with past experience with the revelation of the Fast Action Response Foundation. In Indonesia term is Yayasan Cepat Tanggap. Cash in 2022, it was a surprise. The administrator takes large salaries and live luxuriously, while people who donate may sacrifice some of their needs to donate. They set aside some of their savings, while the administrators embezzle funds for their interests and their families, channeling them for illicit purpose. This outrageous. What should BWI do to increase investment in cash wakaf lingkungan suku? I think by board of wakaf Indonesian allocate fund for continuous CWLS campaign and promotion so that the public knowledge and understanding will increase. Okay, funding. Some charitable organizations have not implemented good organizational governance, especially in terms of transparency and accountability. This is due to lack of organizational infrastructure, weak supervision of organization, incomplete and inadequate awareness and ability of administrator, and low honesty. The lifestyle of administrators who are more oriented toward self-interest and living in luxury encourage people to act less transparently and not report their activities in detail and completely. There is a view from some people that there has been a violation of ethics and moral by the administrator of charitable organization. The justification is that donors are willing to sacrifice some personal interests to be able to donate. But on the other hand, the administrator of the organization get a salary from this activity. This means that the administrator do not donate their energy, knowledge, and skill voluntarily, but make the charitable organization a place to work to earn a living. Implication. The implication of this finding is that a lack of transparency and accountability result in a low organizational reputation, leading to a decline in public trust and ultimately lower effort to increase public involvement in purchasing CWLS. Conclusion, there are still charitable organizations that have not implemented the principle of good corporate governance. Public trust is still low, which causes investment involvement in CWLS to also be low. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.